Next, we have the Dragon, or is it Dragon? Dragon, Hello friends, this is B. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Hobonichi unboxing, and what you see in here is 3 piles of items because I've purchased from 3 different places. This section right here was purchased directly from Hobonichi, and then this pile right here was purchased from Stickerific and Kinokuniya, Malaysia. It just came in the mail, so we're gonna open this together. And you might wonder why it is in a pristine condition, because when this one arrived, the FedEx label was in this area, which I was able to successfully remove, and no stickiness right there except on this part. And then here on the bottom is where the clearance customs label is placed, so there's a bit of a dent, which is fine. But when I purchased this one back in September 1st, it actually came in this box. So even until today, this part is sticky. So I will just have this recycled. I don't need this box. And then your typical FedEx paperwork comes in here, and then this part had that customs clearance. So before we unbox this one, let me show you first these items. This is what I've purchased from Kinokuniya, Malaysia. The other items that they have were the weeks as well as stickers. These ones are from Stickerific. I will insert my video where I've explained everything about Hobonichi Techo. This one is also a graph notebook, exactly like this, but different design cover, split into 4 sections in different colors. This one is the 5-year A6, 2026 to 2030. I'm currently finishing my A5 size, which was dated 2021 to 2025. I actually didn't think of getting one because of the issue from last year. But since Hobonichi send out tester notebooks to their retailers, I was able to test the paper. If they did not do that, I would not have probably bought this. And then we have a horizontal layout. This is the first time that Hobonichi is doing it. And then it's also a graph notebook. The size is 5mm grid. So the ones that I've purchased from Hobonichi are these ones. So these 4 right here are from their Tsuki no Iro line. This sticky notes fits exactly on the boxes for their monthly calendar. Add on sticky notes if you want to do like tip-in, index stickers, and I think they should do this on a yearly basis now because this is much better in terms of like look compared to their usual ones. And then the transparent dot stickers. This is the 3.5mm. The other sizes are 6 and 15. Next, we have Dragon in purple. I already have the black one, looks like this. So the bits right here, like this one, including this, and the ones inside, are all made in leather. It also has that secret message. And the way I would typically use this one is I only use this section to put my techo or hon inside, and then magnetic, enough said. You also got that zip pocket where you can put pens and other items as well. And then I have chosen the day free for 2026, and obviously it comes with this free pen. And the most important order when I did place one back in September 1st is Mina per Honen. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been wanting to get one, and it's pretty much like reaching my own game, I guess. So I already told myself that if I manage to get a Mina, I won't be purchasing any more covers for myself, or if I do, I would have to sell something else within my collection. This one is really beautiful in person. and it is worth the wait. So all of this is made of leather, including this one, because typically when you look at Mina Perhonen covers for their techo lineup, the inside is usually in PU. Their 5-year, which I also have, is in leather, and then the Mina piece are the ones in leather. The rest are in PU. Even though it's expensive, I know if you try to put like everything in leather, I think it's gonna be much more higher. So I understand why they had to go that route to keep the cost down. And I am speechless when I first saw this. My friends have also seen this one when we did like a group Hobonichi unboxing together.
Mina, let's go! I think it's still available now, no?
Yeah, it is.
It is.
But the lottery time, no. I was not.
Wow, so precious.
So pretty, B.
Oh my god, it's really nice. And yes, I will use this 2026 to infinity. So for the last item, which we will unbox together, fireside chat message. Ooh. Hobonichi Techo app, I think they made an announcement that instead of releasing this on December, they're gonna do it 2026. Not sure which exact date, but that's the latest update. So the items that I got are, this one is a this one is an A6 cover, because I forgot to get one for myself. I got one for my sister, but not for me. And then this one is for the Hon. So if you actually line them up, so the A6 is bigger than the Hon size. And then there are also other items in here that's not mine, and that would be this one right here. So this is a band for the weeks. This is for my friend Lynn, because she actually wanted one. And then obviously you got the free pen, and the other item that she has is the Junji Ito. This is actually the reason why I waited patiently, because I also got one for myself. So she has the weeks, and then I have the A6. And I wasn't going to order one until I saw one in person. And then the other items are just these two, which is One Piece related. So this one right here would be the flag stickers, and I will actually use them in here on my techo. I will do a flip through for this one soon. And then for the last one, which is their Hon, this design is inspired by the adventures in Sakura Kingdom, where Tony Chopper is from. So close up, it looks like this. I think this one yellow is Chopper in a sled behind a full moon. So I got like 3. And then you have like Luffy, and then I think this is Wapple. I'm not sure. Sakura ones, and then the cotton candy. And I actually have the other two. So it started off with this one for the 2024, the 2025, and then now for 2026. So all of it. And I'm glad I managed to actually get this one because I did not expect Hobonichi will do another collaboration. So good thing I managed to get one. If you have any questions or anything at all with this unboxing, just comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.